That's the sound of an HVAC running the way it should. As your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, your HVAC is made up of some of the most important systems in your home, keeping you and your family comfortable year-round. And our pre-season tune-up service helps make sure it does just that. One free HVAC tune-up per year is included with our ShieldPlatinum plan. But for all other plans, the service is available at the discounted rate of $75 per unit. That's potentially up to $125 in savings when compared to the average tune-up price. To keep your system working efficiently through the seasons, we recommend 2 tune-ups per year. Once in the spring so your AC is ready to kick in for the summer, and again in the fall so your heating system is all set for the cold. If having your HVAC protected from untimely breakdowns doesn't have you breathing easier, we don't know what will.